Hi everybody, this is Chartsky with a quick video of what we did in the live trading room on Monday, April 7th and Tuesday, April 8th. On Monday, April 7th, the stock indexes were really volatile. You can see the lower left-hand corner, the E-Mini Russell went down $1,200 a contract, put in a V reversal, and went right back up that same amount. We lost 20 ticks on the sudden move down, but a few minutes later, we took a sell and made it back. We got a break even, a scratch in the volatility a little past 10, and later in the morning about 10:30 we got 20 ticks as the price came off the highs. In the upper left is the E-Mini NASDAQ, and we got a scratch trade and 20 tick profitable trade in that to companion trade to the Russell. And you can see the blue horizontal lines, which are the SR levels I put on the chart for members of the live trading room. You could have faded those in both the S&P on the right and the Russell on the lower left for really good runners. Now on Tuesday, April 8th, we got the daily profit target again. This time we had to go into the afternoon. It was really volatile. In the morning we lost about $200, so the afternoon session, which starts at 1:30, looked like this. Here comes the live video with a little bit of the audio taken out. All right, everybody, we'll scalp the S&P. We're going to sell at 1847 for a point. So we can find something to go along with it in the Russell. All right, we're in 5-tick stop. I'm sorry, it was already at 5 ticks. 43.80 for a 10-tick scalp in the Russell. It's come through a little farther in the S&P than I thought it might. Russell too. Shouldn't get over 44.5 in the Russell. I mean, it shouldn't get through that minefield in the S&P. We'll sell 30.5 in the NASDAQ if it'll come down. Maybe we should go. I'm going to go down to 30. We'll make the NASDAQ reach a little bit. Risk 10, go for 15 in the NASDAQ. It's well, almost 145. So they can still be slow. Yeah, that spike up in the Russell is a little bit of a surprise. Just low volume. Took it up. might be able to get in. I'm going to try and get in better in the NASDAQ. I'm going to get in at 31. 35, 31. We still got enough back and forth. Maybe able to get in even better than that, but I don't see any reason to be greedy. 10 ticks risk for 15 profit in the NASDAQ here. Comes down, we may have to go ahead and shave it off. I think we'll be all right to get filled there at 31. There we go. So we got all the stock indexes. 10 ticks stop in the NASDAQ going for 15. 10 ticks stop going for 10 in the Russell. 5 ticks stop in the S&P going for 4 ticks. All of them are scalps. Market still isn't moving that well in the afternoon. Just could go ahead and mark them. They're just sitting there. Okay. Let them simmer. We still got that one small loser in the Russell from the morning. There they go. They all hit. Scalp here. Better hurry up because we're going to have another trade setting up, looks like. All right, let's get ready for the next one here. Now that's not bad for 15 or 20 minutes work, is it? But remember, we had a small $200 loss from the morning, and I wanted to try and get that back for everybody. And since the markets were moving so well, here's the second trade. All right, I'm going to try and buy at 43.1 in the Russell. I buy the NASDAQ at 29. And the S&P, I don't want to do anything going into that SR zone. If I get in a little bit lower, I'll take it at, well, let's see if I can get in 46. 46 and a quarter. Risk is 10 ticks in the NASDAQ and the Russell. We go for 15 in the NASDAQ right now. Just 10 in the Russell. All right, we're in the Russell. We'll have to bump up the NASDAQ 29.5 to get in, I believe. Well, no, it came back down 29 where I thought it would. In, waiting on the S&P. And I get in on the S&P. Could get more than 10 ticks on this Russell trade. Could get considerably more. There's no need to be greedy though. All we've got is a little small $200 loser from the morning to make up, and we've got the daily profit target already. It's almost 2 o'clock. We should get a little push here in just a minute. I'm going to take the S&P trade off. I don't believe we're going to get filled on that anyway. Break it. We got the Russell. Let's go to break even in the NASDAQ. +1. Make it free trade in the NASDAQ. Just cover the commissions. See if we can get a push up there. Just hanging up there. If it comes down under 32, I'm going to lock in the profit target at 10 ticks instead on this one. It's just not pushing up like I thought it might. There we go. Well, that's it. We got the profit target again, even with a little small losing morning. Afternoon sessions are just a lot better, I think. So that'll do it for us. Any questions? So that's it. There's the morning session with the little $200 loss and all the volatility. And here's the afternoon session again from Tuesday. Here's the CFTC disclaimer that's very important, and I urge everybody to read it. And if you want to join us or have any questions, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.